Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a Slytherin outfit from DevilInspired. If I sound weird, I think I'm getting a cold, so just ignore that. Anyways, so this is from DevilInspired. It's my first time ordering from there, so this is just kind of a test of the quality. So here I'm opening the package, and inside there is the same package. Wow. So I've sped this up so then you don't have to watch me fucking around with it. I was struggling to open this, so I used scissors. So we got two little baggies. This is the blazer that I got. It's 64 US dollars. And I got a Slytherin one because they have every different house, but I'm a Slytherin, so I got the Slytherin one. Anyways, so this is really great quality. I'm very surprised. It's proper licensed Harry Potter clothing as well. This is embroidered, and I was shook. The pouch on the other side is not embroidered, but everything else is. The zippers have little charms on it, has a Slytherin emblem, the back says Ministry of Magic, and it just feels amazing quality. I was really surprised at how nice this was. So yeah, that's the blazer. Very nice. Next up we have the skirt. So this was a matching skirt. It's 43 US dollars. It's a pleated skirt. And I got the size medium for both of these items, by the way. I looked at the size chart and that's just what I went with. And look at it! Oh, it's amazing. So the Slytherin writing is embroidered, the green strap is embroidered, the emblem on the side is embroidered. The only thing is this white thread at the bottom of the skirt, that's not supposed to be there. I think it's when they were sewing it, they had it as a guide so then the pleats won't come out, and they forgot to take it out. But I cut it off, I pulled it out. I didn't film what it looks like without it, but it looks way better. I'm sorry that I didn't include that. But yeah. This is the tag and the little button. So the skirt and the blazer came with replacement buttons. And overall, the quality is amazing. I really wasn't expecting it. Let's go try it on. So I'm showing you how I'm putting it on. I had a bit of trouble with this button on the front, but I cut it out because I'm the best. Anyways, so it's a cropped blazer. It's very fitted. So I'm gonna give you a spoiler. These fit so good. It was perfect. Other than the skirt's a bit big around my waist, but the blazer fits really great. And the skirt I can deal with. I don't care if it's a bit big. I can just tuck my shirt in and, you know, who cares. It just means if I go out for food, I have, you know, room for food. Anyways, this is the blazer. It looks amazing. I have this little frilly shirt on underneath that has a little tie on the front. I thought it would look cute with this. I have other button-ups that I want to try it with, but I haven't filmed that, so. So I'm putting the skirt on as well. It has a zip on the side. The material that they've used, it feels very soft, and I'm not sure what it is, but it just feels really high quality for some reason, and I love it. The only thing that does feel cheap is the buttons on the skirt. That's the only thing that I think feels cheap. Everything else feels really expensive. So this is the whole fit all together. Oh, look how good it looks. Just ignore that white thread on the bottom of the skirt. I don't know why I didn't realize that that's not supposed to be there until like later after I filmed it. Because obviously I can't film it again now because I'm sick and I can't be bothered getting dressed, so. Anyways, it looks amazing. I love it. I'm definitely wearing this outside. I don't care. I'm gonna go outside in it and everyone can just ignore the fact that I don't go to school. But yeah, this is my new everyday outfit, Slytherin forever. Alright, thank you for watching. Please go like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you enjoyed it. And yeah, goodbye.